Integrity is part of everyday life, from school to sports to dealing with your own life at home. To me, integrity is being grounded to someone's key values and to do the right thing when it would be easy to do the opposite, and doing what's right when no one is looking. However, it's easier said than done. When I sat down to write this speech, a variety of events and occurrences popped in my head that showed integrity. Our first field studies trip to Camp Friendship was a blast. It was a great experience for all of the middle school. Camp Friendship was a unique experience because it helped everyone ease into the new school year, especially those new students. Everyone became closer and was able to start friendships that will hopefully last throughout the year and the rest of their school careers. At Camp Friendship, integrity came up again and again. Integrity was often abundant in the many team competitions played. In many of these games, there were several rules that we were forced to follow, and it could have been so easy to disregard them. However, we followed the rules anyways. In one of our events, it was my team's job to take this balloon up the hill without using your hands. But when a teammate was to touch it with his or her hand, we started over until we got it right, regardless if we won or lost. That is integrity. I also had the privilege to play on the middle school soccer team this past fall. Sports are great because they teach you so many lessons that you need in everyday life, including integrity. In many of our games, there was one referee. As a result, it was our responsibility to call some of the plays on the sidelines, if the ball were to go out or in. There were plenty of close calls that could have easily been ignored, and it was tough to always make the right call because of our competitiveness. Looking back, I don't regret at all perhaps giving the team the other team the ball and the benefit of the doubt because it gave me a good feeling to do the right thing. Another sport I play in and out of school is tennis. Anyone who has ever played a sport with me knows how competitive I am. It's simple. I love to win. Although inside I really want to win, tennis is based on a tremendous amount of honesty. It is my job to make the calls on my side of the court. But every now and again, you get that one close call that you could easily end your tough rally or continue on with it. In my mind, there are two sides, my competitive side and my conscience. To me, integrity is when you decide to choose your conscience rather than your competitive spirit. As an 8th grader, there are many responsibilities that we are forced to undertake. In these activities and responsibilities, it may be easy to cheat and possibly cut corners, but it's our job to abide by our moral values and to try to do the right thing. The week before break, we had our first semester exams. During these important tests, everyone was very tense and nervous, including myself, as there was a lot of pressure to do well. Despite of this, when a teacher needed to leave the room and we were alone, amazingly, the room remained silent and people remained in their seats at a time when it could have been easy to cheat and ask their peers questions. This confirms that integrity is a great part of what makes Highland such a great school. Integrity isn't easy to maintain. It requires discipline and the ability to stop yourself and think about what's right. Having the skill is not only important for this year alone, but for the many years to come in all of our lives. Integrity challenges us to do as Albert Einstein once said. Try not to become men and women of success, but rather men and women of value. Thank you.